Yo, welcome back to the channel. It has been a fat minute. I'm gonna be working on the Saab today. Finally got some new parts here, and I'll just kind of dive right in. We've got the subframe in finally. Took a while to get that built out. 2015 steering rack and all the supporting mods for the suspension wise. A bunch of stuff from Whiteline here, so I can get this all fitted up. As you can see, no front subframe, been sitting like this for a while because the old original one was just thrashed, and I wanted to do the 2015 rack swap for a long time now, and I figured I might as well do it the right way with this frame. So we're gonna be knocking this out. Let me slap you guys up on the tripod and get things moved around and get things rolling on this. Guys, so first look here, just got it lightly in there with the hardware and everything. I will go ahead and tighten it down here in a minute, but here's how we're looking. Absolutely gorgeous, perfect fit, no problems with the fitment. They have these little cones that you stick in there. You guys saw that when I was putting them in, and it'll center the frame for you when you tighten it down. So I'm gonna get these tightened up. everything tightened up here. So, good to go. I did about like 90 foot-pounds on the torque wrench, so I'm gonna keep moving on here, and I think I'm gonna pull out the steering rack now and fit that up. Here she be, super fresh. Alright, so it's been a minute. Measuring out to cut these, and looking like we're gonna be at about 5/8 of an inch to cut off on each side, and then we should be within spec so that we should have good toe on our alignment. So I'm gonna do one last verification measurement, because right now this measures from that side to that side 57 inches. Just gonna do it one last time. So I'm gonna cut about 5/8 of an inch off of these guys and 5/8 an inch on these guys. I'm gonna put it together and see where I'm at. We're gonna use these as the test pieces because I'm still not 100% sure. Pretty sure I'm right, but these are a little bit longer than stock, as you can kind of tell when I have these centered next to each other. Granted, the angle's a little different, but it is a bit longer, just a tiny bit. So we're gonna cut these guys off 5/8 of an inch. prepped up here to go. The stock brace, which I'll pop up here in just a second, you don't use with the subframe. So I was wondering, because there's not instructions here, I'll show you. This is the stock brace, goes in there like this. Usually, you know, you got two other bolts that go to the subframe, and there you are. So there's our solution. Bolt those up. So I'm gonna get this bad boy in here, mocked up a little bit at least, and then send her home. So, steering rack is in, good to go. I'll pop under there here in a bit when my battery's more charged, and show you kind of how the brackets go. But she's looking good. Alright, so I am going to prep out the control arms and the hubs. I'm gonna see if I can get the hubs off these old control arms, and then get the white line ball joints inside of the hubs, and then I'm gonna get the control arms on there as well. So, yeah, bring them up here on the bench and see if I can get them undone. Alright, so I'm gonna end the video here. I was not able to get that bushing out, so as you guys probably saw, these bushings are still stuck in there pretty dang good. I do have access to a hydraulic press. I'm gonna probably drop those off to my guy tomorrow and get that rolling then. It's no big deal anyways. I gotta grab the inside cone for these. Should be able to pick those up at a dealer. Otherwise these guys won't fit in there, so it's a plastic cone that goes right in the control arm, and then we'll be good there anyways. So this is where I'm going to leave it off, and definitely some good progress anyways. Got the frame in there, steering rack, and I did just kind of toss this in here to see how well it was. It does spin and move the rack good. It doesn't come centered, so I am going to have to center that. But here's how we're sitting. I'm going to push everything in place and call it a night. So I kind of got it laid out here, but that's how she's looking. Peace out.